Greetings traders, in this video we'll be breaking down the ICT concept of OTE or optimal trade entry. Now this is a retracement strategy that requires the Fibonacci retracement tool. So if you haven't used this on TradingView, you can find it over here on the left hand side of your menu. On the third column right here is Fib retracement. You want to use this tool and it looks something like this. Of course, I have my own particular settings to it. But the optimal trade entry is where a good entry would be if prices to retrace a certain amount of way. So if you are familiar with premium and discount, this right here is just a 50% Fibonacci currently. So everything, if you're looking to go long in this on this daily range, so right here we have midnight and right here we have midnight. So all of this price action is one daily candle. If you're looking to go long, you can see how price had a long trajectory. You basically don't want to be buying above the premium, above 50% of the daily range. You want to be buying below the 50% of the daily range. So putting that in combination with putting in premium and discount in combination with OTE, we can start getting more sniper entries. So to get the OTE settings as described by ICT himself, you want to be looking, this will be what your chart would look like for your Fibonacci retracement settings. So you have 0 and 1, these are your anchor points. You have 0.5, which is the halfway between 0 and 1, obviously. And then your OTE is between, or optimal trade entry is between 0.62 to 0.79. You do have the 0.71, but I typically don't have that on my charts. It's just to keep it simple. So you have 0.62 to 0.79. This is your optimal trade entry. So you want to be looking, if prices to retrace and continue in the direction that it was going, you want to be getting in between this optimal trade entry of 0.62 to 0.79. This is going to give you ideally the best risk to reward. So when do you use the optimal trade entry? Well, you want to use it when price has created a swing high and low, and you're looking to follow in and enter on that trend when price retraces. So as I said before, this is 1 days of price action. We're on the 5-minute time frame right now. And so as you can see on this particular day, here's the lowest low. You can also use control to anchor, press the control button and anchor your fib to the lowest low. And you want to anchor this to the highest high at the time. And you can see right here, so if none of this price action had happened so far, and we're looking to enter it in during the 2 to 3 p.m. kill zone window, another ICT concept, we can see that our golden range or optimal trade entry is in this area, right? Because if we're looking to go long, you want to anchor your fib from the swing low, the lowest point, to the swing high. This is just, of course, on the daily range. And so that's going to give you our optimal trade entry. And then as you can see right here, during 3 p.m., during the power hour, price does dip down into this optimal trade entry range. Let me move it up a little bit. And they also have the extra confluence of within the OTE range, there is another fair value gap. So this would be a strong bullish play that you could set a limit order right here on this 0.62, cover the 0.79. And ICT always says that you want to take your first profits at the 0 fib or at the previous swing high or previous swing low. Now there is also a 0.27 profit target that you can sometimes hit, but ICT always says that you want to take something off, either go break even or take something off the first time price reaches back the previous high or the previous low. So you can see if you were just playing the daily range, you had all of this price action that happened, and you believe that price is going to continue to be bullish because of your higher time frame analysis, you can set an entry order right here within the optimal trade entry, and you can see that was a sniper entry and 137 points on the Nasdaq that was an afternoon into the evening trade. So just to recap, this is a Fibonacci retracement strategy within the 0.62 to 0.79 of the leg. This is looking to enter on a retracement and to continue with the trend. You want to use this by anchoring your fib retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low of the leg you're looking to enter on its retracement. This can be used on any time frame, the 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 1 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week. It's just however if you're a swing trader or a scalper. And also if you're short, you'd be anchoring from the swing high to the swing low and looking to get in somewhere over here. And so that is the very simple use case of the ICT OTE strategy. And take it. And if you found this helpful, drop a like and drop a